Who's this guy? Any of you recognize this handsome face from this sticker? Huh? This one? It goes like this in the intros of all of his videos. It's like flying all around, and it's like boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's like that. So Sam the Cooking Guy is one of my favorite YouTube people out there. In fact, when I was watching YouTube, and I'm like, you know what? After watching Sam, I was like, I could do this stuff too. I love to cook, and he kind of inspired me in a way. He, along with Maddie Matheson and some of my other favorite YouTube people, they inspired me to start doing this little thing myself. So he's running a contest now where he's giving away the craziest things. So he's giving away like $5,000 from Kewpie Mayo to one person. How insane is that? So Kewpie Mayo is giving him $5,000 to give away, and you know Daddy loves Kewpie Mayo. He's giving away $5,000 from them to a lucky winner, and all you have to do is subscribe to his YouTube channel in order to try to win this prize. And he's giving away an Evo cooktop grill, professional cooktop grill with his logo. That cute little thing there, with his logo on it, and that's a $4,000 cooktop. That cooktop is what, it's like on my major wish list. And if you haven't seen what the Evo cooktop is, it is this big, round, hot, amazing, just, you're gonna put things on it and it's gonna sizzle.
That's what she said.
He's also giving away a Traeger, and he's also giving away a Professional Series Kamado. It's a $3,000 piece of cooking equipment. I mean, it is for real stuff. And then he's giving away a whole bunch of other stuff. So check out his channel, check out everything that he's giving away, and just subscribe to his YouTube channel because he's awesome. He likes to cook awesome stuff just like I do. Sam even has this cookbook. He's got other cookbooks too, but we just got this one, and this one's awesome. We've been cooking with it all the time. And what could this be? Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. You can order these and a whole other bunch of knives on his website. Just awesome stuff. He's got like 3 million subscribers, or probably more than that. I don't even know. But he's awesome. Go subscribe to his channel. Maybe you'll win something awesome from him. Or maybe I could win something. I know I only have dozens of subscribers on YouTube.
Oh, stop booing. There's nothing wrong with it. There are dozens of us. Dozens!
There are dozens of us! But we are mighty. And as always, be generous in life and with your subscribing.